How to fix OneDrive for business sync issues. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what you're going to do is you're first going to go to Google and search OneDrive sync problems. You should be able to see this page over here where it is a Microsoft support. Now you will see here all guides regarding your OneDrive issues. So you should be able to see here all kinds or all types of issues with solutions. So for example, over here, work, school sync errors. So simply click on those and it should guide you with visual image over here on what you need to do to be able to fix your OneDrive. It will show you everything you need to type, everything you need to delete, and so on and so forth. If the problem that you're having is not listed among this, you can see here at the bottom, as you can see, you can click on Start Troubleshooter over here to begin your or to help with fixing your problem. And you could also try to unlink and relink your OneDrive account to help with your issue. So anyway, just simply check out the website and see which one applies to your current problems, and your problems should be solved. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.